Today I'm cooking Thai stir-fried kway teow, or in Thai we call it pad see ew. This recipe is for 2 servings. The ingredients needed are 450 grams of kway teow or flat rice noodle, 230 grams of pork shoulder sliced, 200 grams of kai lan washed with the leaf and the stem separated, 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, half teaspoon of pepper, half tablespoon of tapioca flour, half tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of thick soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 500 ml of water. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Boil 500 ml of water in a small pot over medium heat. This will take around 3 to 4 minutes. Marinate the pork. Put all the pork in a mixing bowl. Add half tablespoon of light soy sauce, quarter tablespoon of oyster sauce, quarter teaspoon of pepper, and all the tapioca flour. Mix until well combined. Alright, this is done. Leave it aside. After 4 minutes, the water is boiling vigorously. Add in the kai lan stem and cook for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, the kai lan stem are half cooked. Add in the kai lan leaves. Stir to submerge them in the hot water. Cover the pot and continue to cook for 1 more minute. After 1 minute, both the kai lan stem and leaves are well cooked. Switch off the heat. Carefully strain kai lan and discard the hot water. Immediately submerge all the kai lan in cold water for about 20 seconds. This is to stop the kai lan's cooking process, which retain its vibrant green color. Strain the kai lan once more and leave it aside. Separate each strand of the kway teow, put them in a tray. Using clean hand, loosen the kway teow that is stuck together. All done. Leave it aside. Switch on the heat. Put 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in the pan. When oil is hot, add the chopped garlic. Stir fry for 1 minute or until crispy and golden brown. When the garlic is ready, a nice fragrance is released. It's also turned crispy. Switch off the heat. Remove most of the garlic from the pan and set aside. There is some crispy garlic and the oil left in the pan. Scoop up 2 tablespoons of the oil and set aside. Put the pan back on the stove with some of the crispy garlic and oil. Switch on the heat. Add the marinated pork slices and cook for 4 minutes or until well cooked. After about 3 minutes, the pan is getting dry. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic oil and continue frying until the pork is well cooked. After 4 minutes, the pork is cooked. Push it to one side of the pan. Add the balance of the garlic oil. Pour in the eggs, breaking the yolk with the spatula. Next, add about half teaspoon of light soy sauce. Stir gently to cook the eggs. As the eggs are cooking, combine it with the pork with a few tosses. We want the pork to be coated with eggs as much as possible. Alright, now eggs are cooked. Add in the kway teow, sugar, pepper, light soy sauce, thick soy sauce, and the oyster sauce. Stir for about 1.5 minutes or until kway teow are well cooked and combined with the seasoning. Alright, the kway teow is done. Wow, it looks so yummy. Let's give it a taste. It's delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's perfect. Now add in the cooked kai lan, stirring well to mix. Sprinkle crispy fried garlic and switch off the heat. The super easy pad see ew is ready to be served. I recommend eating it immediately as the pad see ew tends to become dry when cool. Let's dish out and serve. Garnish with crispy fried garlic. a piece of cut lime, a little bit of sugar, and roasted Thai chili flake to boost the spiciness. These are the authentic garnishing, but they are totally optional. The local Thai enjoy pad see ew by squeezing the lime and mixing the noodle with sugar and chili flake. However, I will enjoy it plain today. Let's eat! Oh wow, this is really good and delicious. The kway teow is soft and smooth. The pork shoulder is very tasty and tender. Fragrant with crispy fried garlic. It's delicious until the last bite. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!